Fried cabbage with effin' sharp. Let's start preparing some of the ingredients for this dish. First up, the green cabbage. Going for a rough chop. We're just simply doing about 1.5 inch squares here. Next up, we'll have our yellow onion. We'll first cut it from root end to root end. Take one of the halves, place that cut side down on the cutting board. We'll cut off one end, peel our onion. One layer is good enough for me. And then we'll go ahead and, while keeping one end of the onion intact, make about 1/4 inch slices, not quite all the way through the root end. Then hold your knife horizontally, cut through once or twice depending on your size, and then dice the onion. Now let's get that flavor bomb going. I have some bacon here. This is not typical. I'm using some beef bacon. Any of your favorite bacon will work. I'm just gonna go ahead and use about 3 thick slices here, laying them on top of each other, cutting them in nice long strips, and then just making a nice 1/2 inch dice on those. I have a cast iron pan over medium to medium high heat, in with the bacon to render that fat. Once the bacon is done, I'll set it aside onto another plate, keep that bacon fat in the pan, and I'll go in with those diced onions, get those translucent, and then add our green cabbage. I'm going down with some chicken base, about a teaspoon here, and 1/2 cup of water to get that cabbage all nice and wilted. Season up your cabbage to how you'd like, whether it's spicy or just savory. I'll go ahead and work in that chicken base, get that cooking, add our bacon back in, and then I'll crank up the heat and get this all frying in that reserved bacon fat. And you can cook it just until the way that you like your cabbage. Enjoy.